Hello, today we are solving October 2022 IAL Unit 2 question number 6 part B. Calculate for G Round Wheels Limited for the year ended 30th September 2022. First part is the break-even point in sales revenue. So in the earlier part we had prepared statement of profit and loss for G Round Wheels Limited for the year ended 30th September. So now they are asking us to calculate break-even point in the sales revenue in terms of sales revenue. So what is the formula for this? So that is going to be equal to total fixed cost. Okay, total fixed cost divided by contribution, okay, contribution to sales ratio. Okay, you have to calculate contribution to sales ratio and total fixed cost. Okay, so now let's calculate what is the contribution to sales ratio. So that is going to be equal to, we know the contribution cost here, the total contribution is 271,800. So we have to write it here. So 271,800 divided by sales. Okay, to the sales. So the sales revenue. We are talking about the sales revenue. Okay, so the revenue was around 534,600. So 534,600. So that is going to be equal to 534,600. Since it is a ratio, we are going to multiply it with 100. Okay, so that is going to be equal to 0.51. So this is a contribution to sales revenue ratio. Okay, we have found. Now the break-even point in terms of sales revenue will be total fixed cost. So let's write what is the total fixed cost, which we had already calculated. It is 109,780. Okay, so 109,780 divided by contribution to sales revenue ratio, which is 0.51. Okay, so that is going to be equal to 215,932. So this is the break-even point in terms of sales revenue, beyond which if you are able to sell more, obviously they have sold more, and then only you will be able to make a profit. So you are making a profit of 16020 because you are selling beyond 215,932. You are selling a sales revenue worth 534,600. So this is the break-even point in terms of sales revenue, and it is expressed in pounds. Okay, this much of pounds. After that you will start to make a profit. If you sell below this break-even point of in terms of sales revenue, you